Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a function getFsign that extracts the sign from the formula. That allowed us to solve problems with different sign. Today we'll add additional Python code to help us solve different formulas. Let's start by taking a look at our analysis. This is our equation, and then this is our sign. So the sign splits the equation in two sides. So we have a left-hand side, left of the sign, and the right-hand side. And then we are operating on these two sides. So we are doing the same operation on both sides to achieve unknown only on one side, on the left side this time. So by taking away b from both sides, we have no b on the left hand side and we have it moved on the right hand side. By dividing by f, we are essentially moving f from the left hand side to the right hand side. Once we have the unknown only on one side, we solved our problem. So what we will have to do, we'll have to extract the two sides. We know which one is the sign, and then start changing both sides until we have the solution. So to do the split, we will use a function that in Python you can apply to strings that is called split. And you're saying, well, which one is the substring that should split the larger string, which is our formula, and this is our f sign. Okay, and I will say hand sides, h sides, it's equal formula dot split f underscore sign. And then right hand side will be h sides of 0, left hand side, and right hand side will be h sides of 1. Okay, so let's just print them to make sure that we did it right. So we'll say print LHS colon comma LHS and print RHS column RHS. Okay. So, and then we will start modifying them. But first, let's just save this file and see if we extracted the correct left-hand side and right-hand side. So, solution analysis.json. Okay, so here we have LHS b times f plus x and t, and let's just run the other cases just to make sure that everything is right. Very good. Very good again. And the last one. Okay, so we were able to identify the two sides, and in the next tutorials we will learn how to go through the iteration until we have on the left hand side only x. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.